10 symptoms that indicate that the kidneys are not working properly. Every day, our mind processes the ton of information, and our bodies perform thousands of actions. The roaring lifestyle has led us to easily miss the messages our body sends. And the consequences can be drastic. We therefore bring you a list of symptoms that indicate that the kidneys are not working properly. 1. Sleep problems. When the kidneys do not function properly, this means that toxins, through the urine, cannot get out of the body and remain in the blood. And this increased level of toxin makes sleep difficult. People with chronic kidney disease usually suffer from sleep apnea. Apnea during sleep is a disorder that causes one or more respiratory breaks while you are asleep. These breaks can last from a few seconds to a minute. After each break, normal breathing returns to a strong snort. Continuous heavy snoring signals that it's time to visit a doctor. 2. Headache, fatigue and general weakness. Healthy and proper functioning kidneys in our body convert vitamin D to maintain strong bones and produce a hormone called erythropoietin (EPO). This hormone plays an important role in the production of red blood cells. When the kidneys do not function properly, it produces less, and the fall of red blood cells, those who carry oxygen, results in rapid tiredness of the muscles and the brain. It is common for people with chronic kidney disease to have anemia. Anemia can start to develop when someone has 20 to 50% normal kidney function. If you've slept enough and rested, but still feel tired, low in energy, and general weakness, you should visit your doctor. 3. Itching and dry skin. Healthy kidneys, the removal of waste and additional blood from the blood, make an incredible job. They help to create red blood cells and maintain an appropriate amount of minerals in our body. Thoracic and dry skin signals the failure of the kidneys to maintain the right balance of minerals and nutrients, which can lead to bone and kidney disease. Try to stay as hydrated as possible. Remember, before taking any other itching medicines, consult your doctor. Some medicines have ingredients that could further damage your kidney function. 4. Bad breath and taste of metal in your mouth. When the waste is accumulated in the blood, it changes the taste of food and leaves the metal taste in the mouth. Bad breath is another sign that there are too many toxins and contaminants in the bloodstream. Furthermore, you may lose your desire for meat and appetite in general, which can lead to an unhealthy weight loss. There are various reasons why food can have metallic taste, from allergies to poor oral health. Most often, metal taste in the mouth should go away if the supposed cause is treated. If the taste persists, contact your doctor. 5. Short breath. The connection between kidney disease and difficulty breathing without running or exercising is caused by two factors. First, when the kidneys do not function properly, the additional fluid in the body passes into the lungs. Second, anemia deprives your body of oxygen and this leads to a short breath. There are various reasons for the lack of air, from kidney failure to asthma, lung cancer or heart failure. If you notice that you are breathless after very little effort, contact your doctor immediately. 6. Swelling in the ankles, legs and hands. Kidneys that do not function properly do not remove the extra fluid from the body. This leads to retention of sodium, which causes swelling in your ankles, legs and arms. Swelling of the lower parts of the body can also signal heart and liver disease or problems with the veins. Sometimes taking medication, reducing salt and removing excess fluid in the body can stop the swelling. If this does not help you, you need a separate treatment. 7. Back pain. Kidney damage can lead to back pain, which is usually deep and is located just below the rib. It can be felt in front of hips or hip. Pain in the back and leg can be caused by renal cysts. Back pain caused by kidney failure is accompanied by vomiting, high fever and frequent urination. Normal back pain that does not correlate with the kidneys behaves differently, pain is more localized and suddenly occurs, no fever. If you continue to feel back pain, and the painkillers do not work, make sure you go to your doctor. 8. Swollen eyes. An early sign that something is wrong with the kidneys and the swelling around the area of the eye. Eye swelling can be explained by the fact that the kidneys pour a large amount of protein into the urine instead of distributing them all over the body. If you are sure that your body receives enough rest and protein, but you are still swollen around your eyes, go for a review. 9. High blood pressure. Your circulatory system and kidneys depend on each other. The kidneys have small nephrons that filter the waste and additional blood from the blood. If the blood vessels are damaged, nephrons that filter blood do not get enough oxygen and nutrients. Therefore, high blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney failure. 10. Changes in urination. Kidneys are responsible for the production of urine and the removal of waste through it. Do not ignore the changes in odor, color, urine, and changes in the frequency of going to the toilet.